शुरू होगी
30, 31, 32. स्टार्ट करें? कौन है बताएगा? Okay, so now let's begin with the first thing, and that is called as finding of the foreground. Now in the topographical map, first of all, if you see, there are the boxes that are in the red in color, and these boxes throughout they are the foreground references. Now firstly we have to know how to read these foreground references which are given on a topo sheet. Now if you see these boxes, now in the book or in the topo sheet you will be having these boxes of the red colors. Now what is their size? Their size is 2 centimeter by 2 centimeters. This is the size of each of these boxes, which is basically a square. Now let's see how to rate this. So in your topo sheet you will be knowing this by the words eastings, and another word is given as northings.
अब दिख
Now in these eastings and northings, when you get the question in the paper or when you solve this, there it is written like in from this easting to this easting and from this northing to this northing, this map extract is given, and you have to solve the questions given in this topo sheet. Now let's understand first of all what is easting and what is northing given over there. So consider this as the topo sheet, and in this topo sheet, see on this x-axis what you are going to see, the numbers are increasing in this way, and these are called as the eastings. And on the left hand side, the numbers which are increasing upwards, these are called as the northings. So now let's see what is the foreground. Now I'm going to tell you how to mark the foreground of any object. Suppose this is a pond with an embankment, and it is asked that this pond, what is the foreground of this pond? Now just see this square. Firstly see the easting of it, see the left side bottom of this square, and mark a cross over there. So this is the square, left side and bottom means we are having this point as the reference point. So we have to see this the intersection of this point on this x-axis as well as on the y-axis, and whatever the answer we are going to get, that is the foreground of this pond, or for that matter any object that lies within this box, it will be the foreground of that particular object. Now what is the answer of it? Here this pond, what is the meeting point of this intersection? It is first of all on the x-axis it is 22, and then on the y-axis this point's intersection is 30. So what is the foreground of this point which is made over here? The foreground is 2230. It is having 4 numbers. This is the foreground reference, and in this way we can find out the foreground reference of any object which is given in the map extract. We have to just see where it lies in that particular box. Then left side bottom we have to see the intersection where the two lines are intersecting, and just first of all we have to see in the x-axis what is the number line over there, and then on the y-axis in the left side what is the number. Firstly write the x-axis number, like we have written 22, and then write the y-axis number. Here it is 30, so we have written 30, and this becomes the foreground reference, and in this way we can find out the foreground reference of any object, any feature given in the topographical map. Now let's come to the next topic, and this next topic is finding out the 6th grid reference of any object which is given in the topographical map extract. For example, suppose in our this topo sheet, here it is point 216. And let's see what is the 6th grid reference of this point 216. Now we'll be doing what? So firstly, we'll be finding out the foregrid of this point in the same way as we have found out the foregrid for the previous point. Now let's see what is the foregrid of this. Where is this point 216 line? Here in this particular box, first of all, see the left side, then the bottom side, and mark the intersection of it. Now let's see the x-axis where this number is we are getting. We are getting, suppose in this one, 23. So just write down 23. This is x-axis number. After that, write 1 blank. After that, just see where is this intersection going on the y-axis. Here we are getting 31. So write down 31 and then write 1 more blank. Now these 2 blanks, when we are filling, this will make it as a 6th grid number. Now let's see how we are doing it. Now we have chosen this box. Now let's divide this box x-axis and this box y-axis in 10 parts. Now let's see how we are doing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So we have divided this box on the x-axis side into 10 parts and y-axis in the 10 parts. Now we will see